My name is Abigail Hunter and welcome to this Faux lock bob quick hair tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you what products I used to achieve this look as well as what method I used. The most common question I received when posting pictures on social media about this look is how I achieved this bob look when my hair is much longer than this. So if you'd like to learn how I achieved this look, continue to watch. Now, let's start off with what products I used to achieve this look. If you've done faux locks before, and if you haven't, it's a two-step process. First, you have to plait your hair, and then you have to wrap the hair around. That's the way I did it. When I braided my hair, I used the Marley braid. This is the tangle-free Connect-a-Line Marley braid hair in one. So, what I did, I cut this in half, and I plaited my hair down. So after I plaited my hair down using the Marley braid, I used the Cuban twist hair by Shake and Go Equal to do the wrapping method. Okay, so to braid my hair, I used Marley braid, and to do the lock, the hair that you see on the outside is the Cuban twist hair. Of course, had to use a crochet hook, and to seal my hair in when I was doing the plaiting method, I used the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Split End Balm. Also, when parting my hair, I used the Marley's Beeswax to slick my hair down. So, Marley's Beeswax, the Split End Balm, and the Cuban twist hair for the outside, and the Marley braid hair for the inside, and your crochet hook that just fell. I've had these in for over 2 months. Yeah, I've had them in for over 2 months, and I've really been enjoying them. The older they get, the more I love them. Y'all keep giving me compliments, and I'm like, I'm trying to take them out, but each compliment you give me, that's an extra 2 days I'm keeping them in. So if you stop giving me compliments, I can take them out. Okay, no, but I'm grateful for the compliments. Alright, now let's go over this bending method. I call it the bending method because that's exactly what I had to do to get my hair to this length. So this is the Marley braiding hair. I cut it in half, and I use my hair as the third one for the braid. So I just take it, wrap it around, and begin to plait all the way down. This is the plait. Nothing fancy at all, and that's why I love this style, because I can plait, but it's not like amazing, and so I knew the plait wasn't going to be seen, and so that made me feel better. So this is where the bending method comes into play. Here's a faux lock that's already done. I take my plait, measure it to the end, then I bend it up, and all I do is take about 2 to 3 rubber bands and wrap it around to secure the hair. And that's it. That's the plait. And see, it's about the same length as this faux lock. Next, you're going to put the crochet hook through the base of your plait. Get the hair, put it through the loop, close it, pull it through, and pull one end through. Okay? So this is what it should look like so far. So, after you have the hair in, I pull one side to the length of the plait. From there, I separate the Cuban twist hair to make it so when I wrap it, it covers the plait. So I'm separating it. From there, I begin the wrapping method. I wrap about, I'd say, 2 to 3 times at the top, making sure that it's not twisting because I don't want my lock to be too tight. And the reason I spread it out is so it can overlap itself. So after I've done it 2 to 3 times at the top, I begin to make my way all the way down the plait. Method, you don't have to burn the ends. I didn't, especially because my hair is to the end of it, okay? So once I get to the end, this is where I have to spread it out. I wrap it around so you won't see the end of the plait. And after I wrap it around the end, I begin to work my way back up until the hair is gone. And I'm beginning to separate it because I'm going to begin wrapping it individually so it can kind of tangle into itself, if that makes sense. So if you want to, you can always tie a knot if that helps you out. But the Cuban twist hair, it's really kinky, and so I didn't have to do that. So I'm just taking it and wrapping it. Then I'm taking the other part and wrapping it. All I'm going to do is use these hands and the warmth of my hands to kind of seal it together. And you can feel free to put some Marley's beeswax on your hand. That's what I did. I forgot. It's like it's all coming back to me as I redo this method. But I put a little bit of the Marley's beeswax on my hand. Or you can put some of this split-end balm on your hand. And when you're doing this, it'll help seal it. And this is it. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy enough and beginner friendly that you were able to understand it and that is something you want to try out yourself. I know we look to YouTube for everything, and I hope this gave you the confidence to know that you are able to do this yourself. So if you happen to try out this look, let me know. Tag me in your pictures or your videos so I can see how this method worked for you. As always, remember to be uniquely and completely yourself. Have a great day or night, because if you're like me, you can sometimes be watching YouTube all the way up until 3 a.m. So have a great day or have a great night.